Today our topic is simplifications. Simplifications are useful problems to get at least 2 marks from competitive exams like RRB NTPC, PSU, UPSC exams. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos. Simplification is the process for replacing a mathematical expression by an equivalent one that is simpler, usually shorter. For example, simplification of a fraction to an irreducible fraction, simplification of expressions in computer algebra, simplification by conjunction elimination in interface in logic yields a simpler but generally non-equivalent formula. Bodemas rule. Bodemas is an acronym and it stands for B stands for bracket, O stands for order, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Bodemas rule. It explains the order of operations to be performed while solving an expression. According to Bodemas rule, if an expression contains brackets, we have first to solve or simplify the bracket followed by order. That means powers and roots etc. Then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. From left to right, solving the problems in the wrong order will give a wrong answer. Bodemas rule showing in the figures with symbols. In simplification, we have to solve the problems. Before going to solve, we need to know about algebra. Algebra. The definition of algebra states that the study of the mathematical symbols and the rules, and it involves the manipulation of these mathematical symbols. Algebra includes almost everything right from solving elementary equations to the study of the abstractions. Algebra equations are included in many chapters of maths, which students will learn in their academics. Also, there are several formulas and identities present in algebra. Algebra formulas. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. In actual use, we are using only a square plus 2ab plus b square. But in simplification, we need to use the formula a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Sometimes only, not every time. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And one more equation for this formula, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. The blue marks indication of simplification formula. It is useful to in another way. A plus b whole power 4 is equal to a power 4 plus 4a cube b plus 6a square b square plus 4a b cube plus b power 4. A minus b whole power 4 is equal to a power 4 minus 4a cube b plus 6a square b square minus 4a b cube plus b power 4. Next formula, a power 4 minus b power 4 is equal to a minus b into a plus b into a square plus b square. A power 5 minus b power 5 is equal to a minus b into a power 4 plus a cube b plus a square b square plus ab cube plus b power 4. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. A minus b minus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2ca. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. In another form, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. In another form, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into ab. Before going to solve these problems, we need to remember some important points are tables 1 to 20, squares, square roots 1 to 40, Bodemas rule, algebraic formulas, and cube roots 1 to 15. Solve 7.85 into 7.85 minus 2.15 into 2.15 by 7.85 minus 2.15 by 0.01. We need to assumption a is equal 7.85, b is equal to 2.15. From this, the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. 7.85 square minus 2.15 square by 7.85 minus 2.15 is equal to 7.85 plus 2.15 into 7.85 minus 2.15 by 7.85 minus 2.15. 7.85 minus 2.15 by 7.85 minus 2.15 get cancelled. Then the next step is 7.85 plus 2.15 by 0.01. 7.85 plus 2.15 is equal to 10 by 0.01 is equal to 1000. Okay. In denominator we have two decimal points, that's why we have to take 100. 10 into 100 is equal to 1000. Second problem, under root of 2 square plus 1.5 whole square is equal to how much? 2 square is equal to 4 plus 1.5 square is equal to 2.25. So under root of 4 plus 2.25 is equal to under root of 6.25. The answer is 2.5. Third one, 19.7 into 19.7 into 19.7 minus 11.9 into 11.9 into 11.9 by 19.7 into 19.7 plus 19.7 into 11.9 plus 11.9 into 11.9. In this problem we have to assumption a is equal to 19.7, b is equal to 11.9. Okay. We have a formula for this. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. From this formula we can write as a cube minus b cube by a square plus ab plus b square is equal to a minus b. So a is equal to 19.7, b is equal to 11.9. Directly substitute the values in a minus b is equal to 19.7 minus 11.9. The answer is 7.8. Fourth one, solve 0.001 power 1 by 3. The options are 1, 0.01, 2, 0.1, 3, 1, 4, 0.0001. Solution, the value is 0.001. So we have to change this value into fraction 1 by 1000, power of 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 means 1 cube by 10 cube. So 1 by 10 into 3 into 1 by 3. The answer is 0.1. Solve 8 into 8 minus 8 by 1 by 4 divided by 4 is equal to how much? The options are 1 1 2 4 3 0 4 8 96. The solution is 8 into 8 minus 8 1 by 4 divided by 4. 8 8 is 64 minus 8 by 1 by 4 divided by replaced by the multiplication. So 4 has to change as numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator. So 1 by 4. 64 minus 8 56 by 4 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 1 into 1 1 4 4 is 16. So the next step is 56 by 1 by 1 by 16. So in the next step 56 by 1 into the denominator changes as a numerator changes as denominator. So 56 by 1 into 16 by 1. So 56 16s are 896. So the option 4 is correct answer. Solve 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 5 plus question mark. The options are 113 by 60 to 137 by 60, 3 127 by 60, 4 103 by 60. Solution 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x. So in this problem we need to find out the x. Okay, take the LCM for all 2 3 4 5. The LCM value is 60. 2 30s are 60. So 30 into 1 30. 3 20 60. So 20 into 2 is equal to 40. Next 4 15s are 60. So 15 into 3 is 45. 5 12s are 60. So 2 into 1 12. So finally 30 plus 40 plus 45 minus 12 by 60. So the total is 103 by 60. Option 4 is correct answer. Seventh one, under root of 140 divided by under root of 1.96. The options are 100, 210, 31, 4, 0.001. Solution is x is equal, the question mark we are assumption as x or sometimes question mark, that is your wish. So question mark is equal to under root of 140 by under root of 1.96. Okay, 1.96 root value is 1.4. So under root of 140 by 1.4. Next 1.4 into 100 is equal to 140. So the value is under root of 100. Under root of 100 value is 10. 2 into 1.5 x square is equal to 2750. Then what is the value of x? The options are 125, 2, 25 root 3, 3, 25 root 2, 4, 20. The answer is 2 into 1 by 5 has changed as 11 by 5. 11 by 5 x square is equal to 2750. Next, x square is equal to 2750 into 5 by 11. The 11 by 5 multiplication value changes into right side. It is a division value. So the denominator and numerator changes. 11 ones are 11, 250 is a 2750. Next, x square is equal to 250 into 5. 250 into 5 is equal to 1250. Next, x is equal to the square value LHS to RHS. So the square has changed as root value. X is equal to under root of 1250. X is equal to 1250 we can write as under root of 625 into 2. So 625, and since 25 is a 625. So x is equal to 25 into root 2. The correct option is 3. 91. Under root of 1.21 into 0.9 by 1.1 into 0.11 is equal to how much? The options are 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 9, 4, 11. It is very simple and easy. We can write it as 121 into 9 into 100 into 10 by 11 into 11 into 100 into 10. So 100 into 10 get cancelled. 11 ones are 11 11s are 121 and 11 ones are get cancelled. So on the root of 9, root 9 value is 3. 10th one, 2.3 whole cube plus 0.027 by 2.3 whole square minus 0.69 plus 0.09 is equal to how much? The given options are 2.33, 2, 2.67, 3, 2.23, 4, 2.6. Already we have solved this type of problem previously, or one or second question. So same the formula. A is equal to 2.3, B is equal to 0.3. So we can use the formula A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. So A is equal to 2.3, B is equal to 0.3. So the answer is A plus B is equal to 2.3 plus 0.3 is equal to 2.6. The option 4 is correct answer. I won't give explanation extra for this problem because of we have already solved this type of problem. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Please give your support. I will make more videos to you. If you are giving 1000 subscribers within 1 week, I will buy a board for you and solve the problems perfectly. This method is somewhat difficult to explain to you properly. So give your support. Thank you.